My name is Eric W. Hissa. I'm a net entrepreneur, a mentor, and a coach. I'm the CEO and founder of Premium Blockchain Hub. Today's session will be a very interactive session, a live session. We want to share with you mainly on how people gain and how people lose in cryptocurrencies, how people gain and how people lose in the issue of blockchain technology. We have come up with a company known as Premium Blockchain Hub, and in Premium Blockchain Hub, what we are basically doing, we are providing solution to day-to-day challenges people are facing in the fourth industrial revolution. We have a very big vision on the growth. We have a very big vision on where we want to take Africa and the world at large. But today I want to focus in one of our key services known as Blockchain Academic Hub, where anyone can learn 4 things in the world of online-based businesses. We train in detail about cryptocurrency. We train in detail about blockchain technology up to the programming level. We train about social media marketing and everything about it. We also train about online trading and how you can utilize online platform to generate income. We have different segments every Friday covering different topic that we share with you detail on what is happening in the world. And many people are gaining profit in blockchain technology, but at the same regards, many people are losing big time in the blockchain technology. When you check it clearly, when you come again into losing, how are people losing in the world of blockchain technology? One of the key things that people are losing big time is token. A token is a yet to be cryptocurrency. It's not a cryptocurrency, it's yet to be cryptocurrency. It's initially offered at the marketplace, whereby the company providing it put a value on it. Once the value has been placed on it, what happens next? People can begin buying. But when this token goes to the exchange, it requires 2 things: community and usability. So since many people have bought it, that is a community, but the value of it to go up, it requires usability or it's required to trade. Since it's not trading, what happened to the value? It's like a sleeping giant economy. What happened to the value? The value always go down. And you get most of this time, maybe you are buying a token at a rate of $10 per token. When it goes to the blockchain interface, since it's not being used up, what happens? The value goes down. So my advice is one thing that we train detail in the Blockchain Academic Hub, whereby we train you, instead of you buying tokens, which coins can you buy on real time and you are going to get the values. If you are looking for the new coins at the marketplace, which one are you supposed to buy? Second way on how to lose in cryptocurrency or in blockchain is through the concept of mining. Mining is whereby you as a person, you get into the ecosystem of blockchain to allow transformation or the transfer of data information to be easy along the internet. So most of the time with these mining leaders, you require equipment, you require machines. You cannot use electricity for $100 to mine cryptocurrency for $30. It's better you go to an exchange and buy the crypto directly. In Africa, the cost of mining is so high. Since the cost of mining is so high, people have come up with different way to persuade the masses into falling the trap of mining. Some of them tell you, we have a mining facility, maybe in Russia. We have our mining facilities in the deep jungle of Amazon. We have the mining facilities maybe in Poland. Since they come up with a picture and a lot of stories in it, you invest with them for them to do what? The mining process. But over the histories have been proved out. Most of the company facilitating these services, they run out of business within 15 to 20 months. Instead of you indulging on mining, you can indulge on something else that is so profitable. And this one is known as the proof of stake. With the proof of stake, we have detailed training in the Blockchain Academic Hub, how it's going to assist you to benefit in it big time. Then the third way how people lose in the world of blockchain of cryptocurrency is through ROI, which is also known as return on investment. Return on investment is simply work like these leaders. They tell you, put here $1,000, and these $1,000 we are going to invest with you. Either we are going to trade for you, Either they can tell you we have invested big time in real estate. Some also say leaders, they have invested big time in helicopters or yachts. Since you are born, you have never seen a yacht, but you believe and invest in them. You discover that most of these companies, they don't have these services. So they tell you, put here $1,000 every month. We are going to give you this return, or daily we are going to give you 2%, 3%, 4%, 5% on daily basis. And since Africans believe so much in profit, they don't go ahead to do the research on what is being done. Most of them lose big time leaders. Many people are joining, but the people to be paid are few, so they have enough capital. It reaches a point in the scale of payment, the number of the people joining and the number of the people being paid is the same. They can still pay you. Then it goes to the next level leaders, a sensitive level. In this level, the number of the people joining the company and the number of people being paid, those who are joining, they are less, simply means less money to the company. Those who are being paid, they are more, simply means more money to be paid out. The company, if it was paying weekly, it begin paying after 2 weeks. If the company was paying after 2 weeks, it begin paying monthly. If they are paying monthly, they begin paying after 3, 6 months. The payment formula change. Number 2, if you want to know if things are not going well, they begin telling you, since the company has grown very fast, we want to upgrade our servers so that we can serve you much better. So in this agreement with the servers, simply they are getting away to delay the payments. Number 3, they tell you this: since we are paying you through other people's channels, we want to pay you through our channels. Maybe we are developing our token or we are developing our wallets. So first of all, before the wallet, they will develop a token first. So they tell you the commission you have in your back office, you can use it to buy what? The token. But the most amazing thing, you cannot withdraw your funds. That simply means these people are going out of the market. That's why today they say every day 3,000 programs, they are always created. They make more than 3,000 programs every day. 70% of this program, they are dumped into Africa. And we African, we are good in running them because we just look on the aspect of the profit. I remember, I think early this year, I had one of my great friends from Zimbabwe, and the friend told me she was getting a loan of $50,000. Then she told me this money she was going to put it in something known as, I don't know, T20 or something like that. Then I told the leader, this payment that you are getting from, where is it coming from? And this payment, if they are genuine, why don't your government or my government put their money and be able to pay for all these loans? She refused. 3 weeks down the line, she told me, I have seen my earning, but I cannot withdraw. I asked her, what is the issue with that? Second example, I'll give you a good friend of mine from Mombasa, Kenya. This lady at the age of 51 years, she took a loan last year for $60,000. And she had a feel, she wanted to build a house and buy a small car as she prepared for retirement. Then she got a friend who got her into ROI, return on investment. The company was giving out around 4% on daily basis. So she did a calculation, she gave them the money. She was paid only for the first week. Up to now, she's not paid again. And when she called me again and she told me what has happened, because I've shared with her about auto trading, but her heart was not at peace with it. So she told me what has happened. I told her the truth. That company is no longer there. As we talk now, almost 1 year down the line, the lady is still in ICU up to the moment. So my caution is this, leaders. When it comes to online businesses, you require skills, you require knowledge, you require mentors. You require someone who will guide you, not because they are profiting from you, but because you can grow together, not only as a family, but also a team. That's why we have come out with Premium Blockchain Hub, with this service of Blockchain Academic Hub. Is mainly to empower you with skills, to empower with knowledge, and to give you power to understand the right thing to do in the fourth industrial revolution for you to profit. Simply, the skills will caution you out of going into losses. So I welcome you to the Blockchain Academic Hub to learn more. Now we go to the second segment. How do you gain in the world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies? One way you can gain big time, leaders, is through auto trading. Why auto trading? Auto trading simply means a professional trade for you. And these professional leaders, there are three key things that you need to look into. Number one, period. How long have they been trading? Number two, how many services are they trading in? Not only crypto, let them also have there the fiat, forex trading. Let them also trade in hedge fund, shares, option, bonds. And you make sure what they're trading in, you as a person, you can also do it on a personal level and benefit. Second way for you to benefit is out of buying and holding. You buy the coins at a lower rate, you hold for a given time, then you sell. But buying and holding, for me, I do it the other way because I want also to caution my money. Because there's some coins that you buy at a lower rate, then the rate continue going lower. Like last year, there's a coin that most of my friends bought, known as SafeMoon. The value of it is going down every day. So also the buying and holding should be keen. You require what? Skills. So how do you caution yourself in buying and holding? Like for example, how do I do it? For example, today I have $10,000 and I want to buy a coin, a crypto coin, one that is already in exchange. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and others. What do I do? In my case as Hisa, I will take the $10,000, put into auto trading, then the profit that I'm generating either monthly, quarterly, half yearly, yearly, the profit, I'll use the profit to buy the coin that I want. Then my capital, which is my seed money, I will put again to auto trading the coming period. The profit that I'm making out of auto trading is what I use to buy the coin, but I don't use my seed capital buying the coin directly. I've been doing these, leaders, for more than 6 years, and through this period I've never lost in cryptocurrencies. So which coin can you buy and how can you do it? The best place is the Blockchain Academic Hub. We have our application where we are sharing right now top 30 coins for you to buy. Top 30 coins for you to buy that will assist you on long term. But this one we are providing directly out of the people who have joined auto trading, so that they can use their profit to invest to get more profit. Next way on how people generate profit in the world of cryptocurrency is through proof of stake. Proof of stake is replacing the issue of crypto mining. But the proof of stake, leaders, don't join it in the concept of network marketing. You always lose. Proof of staking, leaders, you require to join a company directly. There's no referral in it. In proof of staking, anything connected with referral, you will end up losing. It is automatic that way. Our next segment in the training, I will share with you 3 things. How you can profit in NFTs, non-fungible tokens, how you can benefit in metaverse, and how your kids can benefit in blockchain finance. Kids from the age of 7 to 15 years, how can they benefit in blockchain technology, leaders? So I'm looking ahead to have you in our next segment of training. But meanwhile, leaders, all of things that I've shown you today, you can enroll in the Blockchain Academic Hub with only $300, leaders. Only $300. With a nice training for 7 to 8 weeks, you will be able to know exactly what you're supposed to do in the world of cryptocurrency and the world of blockchain technology. So I appreciate so much having you on this call. I want you to roll over to the next segment on how you can benefit big time in auto trading. Why do I advocate so much about auto trading? Because you as a leader, you as a newcomer in the world of blockchain technology, newcomer simply means if you have not been there for more than 4 years, you're still a newcomer, leaders. How long does it take you to have a degree in medicine? How long does it take you to have a degree in teaching? How long does it take you to qualify as a lawyer? 4 to 5 years. So if you are anywhere below 4 years, you are still a beginner leaders. You are still a learner. And this is one thing that is holding us back in Africa. Once we know something, we don't want to expound on it. Once we know a given field, we don't want to learn and research more on it. But we always say, at Blockchain Academic Hub, making wealth should not be a hassle. It's the only place where opportunities meet skills. So Leader Marcellus, one of the person I've mentored so much in this business, I want him to take us to the next segment. Then from there, we'll guide you now on how to benefit big way in what we have. Welcome, leaders.
Hello everyone, my name is Marcellus Otieno, an entrepreneur, online coach, mentor, and also a blockchain expert. And I want to take this chance to congratulate and also appreciate our CEO, our mentor, our coach for taking us through the first part. It was a very, very great learning. I hope you have been able to learn a lot. So personally, I'm going to take you through the second part on how investors reap big time in blockchain and also cryptocurrencies. You come to realize that blockchain is very, very wide. And you as an individual, we have different ways on how you can be able to reap big in blockchain and also auto trading. So the first way most of the investors always reap big in this field of blockchain technology is through buying and also holding these cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrencies, they are things like Bitcoin. And I want to give you an example. If you check clearly, for those who have information always follows more about these cryptocurrencies, look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin in around 2020, Bitcoin was going at roughly around $8,000 to $9,000. Check at Bitcoin today. Today, one Bitcoin is going at around close to around $35,000. What does this one tell you? It means this way. In case in 2020, maybe you bought or you wanted to buy maybe around 10 Bitcoins. Each Bitcoin was going at maybe around $8,000. You could have bought the 10 Bitcoin at around $80,000. Today, if you had to sell the same 10 Bitcoins that you bought at $80,000, you could have sold each one of them going at around $35,000. Which means the 10 of them, you could have sold at $350,000. Subtract your $80,000, how much profit do you go home with? It's crazy profit. But with these cryptocurrencies, for them, they have a duration whereby sometimes the market keep on fluctuating. Like you come to realize, for them, you need to be a long-term holder. If you want something you need to hold for the long term, then you can buy cryptocurrencies because the market keep on fluctuating. So it's not a money that you need to make quick money. So for the investors who are also looking for something they can also be able to benefit big in this field of blockchain, you can also be able to do forex trading. Forex trading is also a very big industry whereby in case also you want to benefit big in this field of blockchain, you can do forex trading. But that with forex trading, you require first knowledge. Second thing also, you require skills. If you don't have knowledge and skills for you to do forex trading, I would advise you don't do it. So how can investors who don't have enough time be able to benefit big in this field of blockchain and also auto trading? That's the question, and that's why we are here today to share with you also big time. I guess, for example, today you are interested in online trading industry, but you don't have enough time to do it by yourself. How can you be able also to benefit on that? So we have ultimate solution for you, whereby we can be able to connect with internationally licensed companies that can also be able to trade on your behalf. And some of these companies, they have been trading since 2012 up to today, which means they have almost 10 years of experience. They also have both local and international license. At the same time, you as an individual, they can be able to trade for you your money in different online trading platforms, like in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, options, futures, and also the currencies. So instead of you doing it by yourself, these companies can do it on your behalf, then they give you the profits. So for them, you don't need, in case you are looking for something whereby you want something whereby your money is constant, for example, it is each and every month, it comes that way constant. Or you are that person who, for example, looking for generate money whereby in case maybe, for example, you want maybe a time frame. Like you want money, maybe you have taken your money and maybe after a certain period of time, you want maybe to be getting profits each and every, maybe if it is a month, after maybe 6 months, a year, or even after a period of time, then auto trading is the best way to go. So with auto trading, this way now the professional trade on your behalf. So they can trade on your behalf while you enjoy the profit. So the question is this one, how does it work? That is the question. How does it operate? So it's very, very simple. In case you want to invest with these companies, this is how they do it. The minimum investment you can do with them is $300. Then the maximum investment you can do with them is $100,000. But you can have multiples account of $100,000. For example, this is how they do it. Assume you have invested, for example, $1,000. If you choose, they have 5 segments in which you can choose them, you want them to pay you. The first option is through monthly payment, or you can choose quarterly, or you can choose half a year, or you can choose yearly. If you choose monthly and assume you have invested $1,000, each month they'll be giving you 15% of that. 15% of $1,000 is $150. They give you that $150 for a duration of 1 year. That is what, 12 months. Which means by the end of that 12 months, in case you invest with them $1,000, they'll give you total returns of $1,800. So you get your initial capital of $1,000 plus a profit of how much? $800. If you choose a second option, which is now quarterly, you want them to pay you quarterly. Each month they'll be paying you 18% of that, which means each month they'll be giving you $180. Quarterly means after 3 months. So the first quarter, they'll pay, in case you invested $1,000, the first quarter they'll pay you $540. The next quarter again, they pay another $540. Then a year has 4 quarters, which means by the end of that year, in case you invest $1,000, they'll pay you total returns of $2,160. Then in case you choose the third option, which is now half a year. Half a year now they pay you 21% each and every month, which means in case you have invested $1,000, each month they'll be paying you $210. So half a year means after 6 months. So the first 6 months they'll pay you $1,260. The next 6 months again they'll pay another $1,260. So by the end of that year, in case you invest $1,000 and have chosen the half a year plan, they'll give you total returns of $2,520. Then in case you have chosen the fourth option, which is now the yearly. Yearly now they pay you 25% each and every month. Which means in case you invest $1,000, each month they'll be paying you $250. So yearly means after, it's just like you have locked your money for the next 1 year. So by the end of that year, in case you invest $1,000, they'll give you total returns of $3,000. So you get your initial capital of $1,000 plus a profit of how much? $2,000. So that's how they do their investment for the investors. So I want us to talk of real big investors, because me, I love talking about big money. And I want us to check on this example of people who are now into serious business, those who want to invest in big time. People who love investing like me. And assume you have invested, let's talk of about $10,000. How does it work? So in case you have invested, for example, let's talk of $10,000, each month they'll be paying you $1,500. So they'll pay you that one for the next 1 year, which means by the end of that year, in case you invested $10,000, they'll pay you a total of around $18,000. So you get your initial capital of $10,000 plus a profit of $8,000. In case you have invested for the second option, which is quarterly, now they'll be paying, in case you have invested $10,000, they'll be paying you each month $1,800. So quarterly means after 3 months. So the first quarter they'll pay you $5,400. The next quarter again $5,400. So a year has 4 quarters, which means by the end of that year, in case you have invested $10,000, they'll pay you a total of $21,600. So you get an initial capital of $10,000 plus a profit of $10,600. In case you have invested for the 3 months, for the half a year now, each month they'll be paying you 21%, which means each month they'll be paying you $2,100 in case you invested $10,000. So the first 6 months they'll pay you $12,160. Then the next 6 months again they pay you the same, which means by the end of that year, in case you have invested $10,000, they'll pay you a total of around $25,250. Then in case you have invested, let's talk of around $10,000 for now, the last option, that is the yearly. Each month they'll be paying you 25% each month. So the first each month they'll be paying you like $2,500. The next month again $2,500. So by the end of that year, in case you invested $10,000, they'll pay you a total of $30,000. So you get your initial capital of $10,000 plus a profit of $20,000. Very, very important. So that's how for them they do the investment for the investors. So are you ready? For those who are interested in auto trading, are you ready? We get started. If you are ready, this is how we go about it. In case you want to invest with them, for them, they do their investment using the BUSD. BUSD is a stable coin just like USDT. And just the same way we always have M-Pesa or mobile money wallet for holding our fiat currencies. Also, we have this wallet for holding the cryptocurrencies. Now, the wallet we are using is now called Token Pocket Wallet. How do you get it? Just go to the Play Store. You download Token Pocket Wallet. Once you download Token Pocket Wallet, you make sure you back up your keys. So you'll be given some security words, 12 words. Make sure you write them somewhere down. You'll never forget. Very, very important. Write them somewhere. You'll never forget. After that, you fund up your account with the BUSD, which you can buy from the exchange, the crypto agents like the Binance exchange or even the local Bitcoin. Once you have done that, it's very simple. You go to the registration part whereby you go to the buy auto trading site where you can register. This is a site for the buy auto trading. You can register or you can log in, then you start your investment. As simple as that. So if you are ready and also you are looking on a way whereby you are looking for professional trade on your behalf, we are here as Blockchain Academic Hub to connect you with them so that they can be able to trade on your behalf. So if you are ready, that's the procedure. Let's get started. We grow together, we do our investment until also we make it big in this field of blockchain and also auto trading. So welcome to Blockchain Academic Hub, powered by the Premium, a blockchain hub where skills meet the opportunity. And for more information, you can follow us on Facebook as Blockchain Academic Hub, on Twitter, Instagram, and also on YouTube as Blockchain Academic Hub, so that you can be able to support you, help you until also we see you grow. So we are here to work with you. Check there on our YouTube channel for more videos, for more upcoming events, and we are going to work with you in a great way. So welcome, and I'm looking forward to work with all of you. So asanteni sana.